So you have to divide by 12. You have to divide by 12. So if we'll divide by 12, we will get how much? 0.5625. Then divide by 100 you have to do to convert into decimal. So 0.005625 like that you will get, right? So, and in how much you will take? 12 into 1. That is what I have told yesterday, that R should be divided by 12 and time should be multiplied by 12. Okay. And as this is monthly, like every month. So every month means which formula will apply? Future value of ordinary entity. You can apply and solve it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any other doubts?
Sir, how to use a calculator, sir? Please tell me.
In normal calculator, I have told yesterday that first, suppose you have to find 1.1 or 1.1 to the power 20. So yesterday I have told first multiply 1.1 into 1.1. Press is equal to button. So when you press is equal to button in your calculator, maybe you will get 1.21 or something like that, right? And here you can see power as 3. You have multiplied 2 times, but you are getting power as 3. It means that it shows 1 extra. Here power shows 1 extra. So if you want power 20 means it should show 21, right? So just keep on pressing is equal to button. Keep on pressing is equal to button. When you see here 21, power as 21, that will be your answer. 6.71 or something like that.
Sir,
Clear?
I have multi-user calculator, sir.
Which user?
Multi-user तो भी sir cashier रहता है ना sir ऊपर वो वाला.
हाँ, but in that if GT is there, gross total is there means you have pressed gross total means it won't take.
Yes, sir. Which one we take? Which one we press, sir?
No, I don't know how to remove gross total. You have to check YouTube for that.
Sir, in normal calculator also we couldn't get, sir.
So in normal calculator you will get so many people are using it, right? Yesterday I have shown also. See.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how, sir? I couldn't get, sir. Please, sir. Once.
See, this is only your normal calculator, na?
Yes, sir.
So just multiply 1.1 into 1.1. You will get 1.21 and power will show 3. So if you want power 20 means here it should show 21. So just keep on pressing is equal to button. Keep on pressing is equal to button. Keep on pressing is equal to button. You will get it.
Sir, I have this one, sir.
Sir, you can check your calculator or you can maybe change your calculator and try. Maybe some problem with your calculator.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Or
right,
you
sir.
download the Citizen calculator in your mobile, like how I'm showing by downloading the app in my mobile, and I'm showing you. So you can try till that time, change your calculator and you can try.
Hello, sir.
Haji, tell me.
Sir, 1.1 to the power of 20, please explain again. In this shortcut method.
1.1 to the power?
20. The result is it should be calculated in shortcut method during the examination.
This is also shortcut. No, you can use it. It won't take much time.
Sir.
Okay, all things are practice, like how you are practicing.
Sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, which company Calci?
Any company normal calculator you can purchase. Casio, Citizen, normal calculator, where it shows that power, no, you can purchase any.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you.
No doubts. Then we'll start.
Sir, the previous problem, I'm getting it as 37468.3 answer.
I think somebody has posted solution in the group, right? WhatsApp group. Just check it. Somebody has posted, I think, in group, no, solution in evening, I think, right? So have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Any other doubt? That's it. Then we'll start.
Yes, sir.
So till yesterday, I have taught you that regarding the present value of ordinary annuity, right? So today we'll talk about future value of annuity due and present value of annuity due. So yesterday I have told you that what is the difference between ordinary annuity and annuity due is. Ordinary annuity, the series payment we are making in the ending. In annuity due, the series payment we are making in the beginning of the period, right? So clearly in question, I will mention that when we are making that payment, suppose I'm telling 5,000 rupees every month I'm saving, okay? But if I have not mentioned anything that 5,000 rupees every month I'm saving when, I have not mentioned means ordinary annuity. But if I'm mentioning in the question that 5,000 rupees I'm saving every month in the beginning of the month or every year in the beginning of the year, right? Then it will be annuity due question. Okay, that is how you can identify. Normally, all the questions will be ordinary annuity unless they talk about the series of the payment. When they are making it won't be annuity due. Okay, so let's talk about the formula. So same formula I'll be writing first. Future value of ordinary annuity means yesterday you have seen this formula, right? C into, okay. This is, I have given you for ordinary annuity. But now tell me one thing. Suppose I am depositing in your bank 5,000 rupees in beginning of January month. So for that full year, will you give me interest on that 5,000 rupees? Tell me. Yes or no? 5,000 rupees I am depositing in January 2000. Suppose I have deposited in January 2021. So for this 21-22 full year, on that 5,000 rupees, you will give me interest?
For financial year.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Means either from January to December, you won't give me any interest on that amount.
January to March, we will settle.
Yeah, that is financial if you're talking about. I'm just telling normally if 1 year, either I say January to December means roughly I have said. So for that year, I'll get interest, right?
Right.
And just for example, suppose that's same 5,000 rupees. If I deposit on 30th of December or 31st of December, so I won't get any interest for the whole year. Maybe I'll get interest for 1 day, right? Or 2 days, right? Correct?
Correct.
Yes. That is only the difference. If you have any doubt, you can raise hand and then you can ask. Okay. Till that time, you can mute yourself after clarification. So this is what is the difference between ordinary annuity and annuity due. So in annuity due, we are making payment in the beginning of the period. So that is the reason we multiply with 1 plus R, because you'll get the interest. Okay. So this is how your annuity due formula will be ready. Same formula, we'll just multiply with 1 plus R, you'll get annuity due. Okay. Same logic applies for present value also. This is the formula which I have given you yesterday. This is the formula I have given you yesterday. And if same, you will multiply with 1 plus R, it will become annuity due formula. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now let's see one question. So let's see one question, write down. A couple wants to save. I'll just type in chat box also. A couple wants to save rupees 5,000 as down payment, as down payment of their house after 5 years. If the rate of interest is 4%, how much amount they should save every year in their account in the beginning of the year? So now tell me what we have to find out here and which formula to apply.
Future value of annuity due.
Yes.
Future value annuity due.
Yes, right. See here, you have to read the question always. And here, don't look that 5,000 rupees. Don't see that 5,000 rupees is very small amount. So it can't be future value. It will be C only. Always read the question carefully, because this 5,000 rupees they want after 5 years, not right now. Okay. So 5,000 is your future value. Rate is 4%. N is 5 years. And clearly they have mentioned they should save every year in their account in the beginning of the year. So in the beginning of the year, if they are saving any amount, means that will be annuity. I hope you can solve it. I don't think anybody will be having difficulty in solving this. So if anybody is having any doubt, they can raise their hand. Yes, tell me, what is the doubt?
Sir, actually, I'm having a little bit of doubt. Annuity due is about beginning. Ordinary annuity is about the ending. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Can I just clarify again with the formula? Future value, if I'm investing at the beginning, so can I just go through the formula again?
Not investing in the beginning. I said
Okay.
C value. For annuity due, ordinary annuity, clearly I told in class that it's about series of payment.
Okay.
When you are making the series of payment, that series of payment you are making in the beginning or ending, that we see.
Okay, that
Investing
depends
in
on
beginning means that will be present value. Right?
So
getting amount in the end means that is future value. So here particularly, specifically, I am telling you that when you are making C payment, when you are making series of payment, that will decide whether ordinary annuity or annuity due.
Okay, what C stands for actually?
Series of payment, every annually, each year.
Okay. Series of payment. Okay. For example, if I'm paying monthly means
So that is C.
For N is I should take 12, right?
Yeah, monthly means N will be 12. The basic logic, monthly means R will be divided by 12, time will be multiplied by 12.
I got what you said, but I'm asking for N is number of if for example I'm paying 5,000 for 3 years means I should take 3 by 36 or 36 by 3. Like for N, I'm asking number of years or number of.
No. This 5,000 rupees you are paying monthly or how?
Monthly for 3 years.
Monthly means obviously yesterday I have given you table. Monthly means R will be divided by 12 and year will be multiplied by 12. Okay. 3 years means 12 into 3.
36. Okay.
Yesterday you didn't attend the class?
No, sir, I'm new actually.
That's right. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry. No, amount won't come 1,58,164. Only 5,000 rupees they want. You have to solve it. That is the reason I told yesterday to practice. At least now I hope you can solve. Somebody can post solution in WhatsApp group also, so that if somebody is really feeling difficulty, they can look and they can solve it. Please practice calculations. Look how we are doing the calculation so that it will be clarified. Done. It won't come 28,164. They want only 5,000 rupees. See, I have written now. I think this you can simplify, right?
887.
How come 28,000 you will get anybody? 0.2166529 divided by 0.04. Divide this, multiply in 1.04, whatever comes, divide in 5,000.
It's 887.63.
28,164 you won't get. Please check.
887.
Yeah. Now somebody has posted
887.63.
Yeah, maximum people are getting 887 means obviously that is logical. 5,000 rupees only you have to save in 5 years.
Sir, will they give us a paper to work out in the exam?
I think A4 sheet earlier they were giving. Right now I have no idea. Maybe Vijay sir will tell or.
Right now also they are giving, sir.
They are giving?
Yes, sir. Giving.
Yeah, they are giving. Now got it? Everybody got 887?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still, now I have simplified, so I hope you can do the calculations. Or you please, somebody who has solved, please post in WhatsApp group solution.
Already posted, sir.
Somebody has posted, right? Vijay sir also forwarded. Okay, fine. So is it clear now? So this is normally I have not seen asking annotative questions, but if they are asking, you can solve it like this. Okay. Let me give you one more question. Let's see how you are doing it. Please write down. I'm typing in chat box also. You can take from here also. Mr. X wants to save sorry, Mr. X wants to replace his bike. For that he needs rupees 1,200. Okay, Mr. X wants to replace his bike. For that he needs rupees 1,200 after 3 years. No. Wait, after 5 years. If the rate is 12%, how much amount he should save every month? Tell me what we have to find out here. Again, read question properly.
Should calculate C.
Ordinary future value.
Ordinary.
This is simple question. That's what I'm telling. Always don't see the value. So, future value 1,200 he needs after 5 years.
Present value.
Future value is 1,200. C, you have to find out. Rate is 12%, and every month I'm asking. So you have to do R by 12 and time multiplied by 12. Try. When you try to solve, then only you will learn. Question I have typed also in chat box. You can take it from there. Mr. X wants to replace his bike for that he needs 1,200 after 5 years. If the rate is 12%, how much amount he should save every month? I have typed in chat box as well. You can look if you have missed. Already this sum I have explained in the beginning of the class. 1,000 per month. Same way you can solve it. Just now similar question we are doing.
Sir, I am unable to operate the calculator, sir.
Then maybe you have to change your calculator, sir.
When they have...
Yeah, tell me again.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding rate of interest. Can you just explain it again? Or
yeah, R means what is the doubt?
Actually, you divided by 12 by 12, right? I don't know. Still
rate is 12%.
Okay.
So I told no, every month means annually it's 12%. So every month how much?
Okay, 1%. Okay.
Clear.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. 14.69 I think is correct answer. Please check calculations, check your calculator. If something is wrong with calculator, please try to change it. If you don't have calculator, you can download in mobile also Citizen Calculator app, and you can, for time being, you can learn how to do the calculations. Still anybody is having doubt?
Sir, once see you how to calculate in your Citizen Calculator, sir.
Yeah, again I have to see. You have joined late?
No, sir. I have joined a morning batch, sir, but...
Acha, okay, fine. So just I'm telling you, you do it in your calculator. Multiply 1.01 into 1.01. Press is equal to button. How much you got? How much you got? Hello?
1.01.
1.0201. Right. Then you want 60 means you need power 61. So keep on pressing is equal to button. When you see power 61, stop it.
Sir, which button? Which button, sir?
Is equal to button, is equal to two buttons you are seeing, no? Parallel buttons is equal to button. This one is equal to.
Okay, sir, is equal to, okay.
Keep on pressing is equal to button. When you see 61, stop it. So 1.8166967 like that you will get. So that is the value for 1.01 to the power 6.
Is equal to button is, I am pressing is equal button, but it is not.
Maybe gross total is there. That is the reason it's not moving. The value is not moving.
Yes, sir. Gross total is there. GT.
So you have to remove it. That somehow, I don't know how. Otherwise, you can, for timing to learn, you can download the Citizen app in calculator and you can learn how to do calculations. Later, either you can change the calculator or try to remove the GT, gross total.
Just do it, sir.
That is the reason it is not taking.
Gross total is coming, sir.
Yeah, so you have to remove it somehow by seeing the YouTube or something. They tell you in which calculator how to remove it.
Okay, sir. I will check after later, sir.
Fine.
Right.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding the formula. Formula is SEBI AB is equal to C into 1 plus R per n minus 1 divided by R into 1 plus R, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. But we're doing, actually, the way Excel you have done the calculation is that I think you left 1 plus R into, I think. So yes, okay, thank you.
Yeah, I
Into
did
1
try.
plus R it will not come, no, sir.
Right.
No, here 1
Will
plus
not.
R will not come.
But
Ordinary
here 1
anticipation.
plus R is not there because this is not annuity due question.
This is ordinary annuity.
It's not annuity due, right? Unless I tell that the amount you are depositing in beginning of the period or beginning of the month or beginning of the year, it will be ordinary annuity only.
So for only annuity due, we should use 1 plus R, sir?
Yes. Clearly, I told you have to look
Okay.
for C payment, series of payment.
Okay.
Series of payment when we are making. Series of payment, 5,000 rupees if you are saving every month. That 5,000 rupees when you are paying or when you are saving, whether you are saving in beginning of the month or ending of the month. In beginning of the month means annuity due. Ending of the month means ordinary annuity. So simple. Just now I told you how to calculate 60 times in calculator. 1.01 into 1.01 press is equal to button. Keep on pressing is equal to button. When you see power 61, stop it. That is your answer for power 60. Okay. Next we have EMI calculation. So whether we say EMI or EAI, it's same thing. Okay. Whether I say monthly installments or annual installment, the formula will remain same. Only the difference is if I say monthly means rate will be divided by 12 and time will be multiplied.
Due not given any example, sir.
Which are not required. It's annuity due example means not required because they don't ask those questions. They're asking also, it's same thing. I will say that a person wants to get 10,000 rupees every month in the beginning of the month. Like that I will do. That's it.
So I got it, sir.
Okay.
Calculation.
Yeah, good then. So if you try to do by yourself, then only you are going to learn. Right? So this is the formula for annual installments. So either I say EMI or EAI, it's same thing. Either we say monthly installments or annual installments. Only difference is if I'm telling monthly means R will be divided by 12, time will be multiplied by 12. Okay. So here P is the principal amount. P is the principal. R is the rate. N is the number of years. Okay. P is the principal. R is the rate. N is the number of years or number of installments. Number of installments or number of years. Okay. Let's take one question. Mr. X has borrowed a sum of rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 20%. Or rate of interest is 20%.
Rate of interest is
20%.
20%.
Which has to be repaid. Which has to be repaid.
Repaid.
5 installments. Find the amount of each installment. Find the amount of each installment. So Mr. X has borrowed a sum of rupees 1 lakh at 20% or rate of interest 20%, which has to be repaid in 5 installments or 5 equal installments. Find the amount of each installment. So here I have not told anything regarding monthly installments. Unless I say in the question, which has to be repaid in monthly installments or find the amount of monthly installments. Okay. Don't use divide by 12 and multiply it by 12. Okay. So it's annual installment only. So you can just put in the formula. You can solve it, right? I hope you can solve it. Rate of interest is 20%. Just question. So I have given 20%. Don't worry. Done. Everybody got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Write down another question. Mr. X has borrowed is 50,000 for 2 years at the rate or interest of. Find the amount of monthly installments.
Sir, at the rate of interest.
Yes, I have posted in chat box also the question. You can copy from that. Interest is 12%. Time is 2 years. Monthly installments we have to calculate, right? So whenever we say monthly means what happens?
Divided by 12.
Divide by 12.
Multiply by 12.
Time multiplied by 12. So same thing, just you put. And mute yourself. Don't unmute yourself unless it's required. So just check your calculations. What is the answer you are going to get? Match with your friends.
Yes, sir.
So anybody is having any doubt till here? Somebody got 2307. I thought.
So correct answer.
2353 is correct or 2307 is correct?
2353.
2353.
Sir, N is 4 years, no, sir?
How many years I have told then?
2 years.
So then,
2 years, I think, right?
24 months. 2 into 24. Sorry, 2 into 12.
Yeah, 2 into 12. 2 years I have told. Next topic we'll talk about is bond valuation. Okay. Little bit extra is there, that amortization of debt and all, I'll tell in the end, which they have added newly. So till here, no doubt, right? So let's talk about the bond valuation. What we call as bond. See, 29,584 can't be your answer. You can't pay it for 50,000 rupees. You will not be paying 29,584 rupees every month, right? Not possible at all. So I think 2353 should be correct. You can post the solution in the WhatsApp group so that later we can cross verify if something is wrong. Okay, or others can cross verify that if where they have done mistake or you have done mistake. Okay, just post in WhatsApp group. Okay. Now come to the bond. What we call as bond. So a bond is a debt market instrument. Okay, a bond is a debt market instrument. Okay, which will be issued by public companies or government. Normally, it will be issued by public companies or government. Right? Like how companies, when they need funds, they issue equity shares, preference shares, debentures, right, to raise the funds. Similar way, when government, they need funds, public sector banks, they need funds, they issue bonds, okay, to raise their funds. So few terms we are having in bond, which we have to discuss first. Okay. Yeah, done. You can stop posting the answers. You can cross verify. Okay. So few terms we have to talk here in bond. That is the first thing we call as face value. So remember, every bond will be having a face value. What we call as face value is the amount which the company has borrowed from the investors. Okay. Or also we can say the face value is the amount which the company has promised to the investor to pay at the time of maturity. Okay. Or another way I can say is the amount which the investor has invested in the company or company has borrowed from the investor. That is called as face value. And remember, every bond will be having a face value. Every bond will be having a face value. Definitely face value will be given. If they have not given face value in the question, you have to assume as 1,000 or 100. Okay, either 1,000 or 100 you have to assume if they have not mentioned face value in the question. Okay. Now, second thing we talk about coupon rate. Now, why you will invest in bond? Some benefit you will expect, some benefit you will get in return. So that is called as coupon rate. So this is your fixed interest or fixed rate. This is the fixed rate what the investor is going to get. Like I say, 4% means 4% of 1,000. Coupon rate always we calculate on face value. So coupon rate is the benefit which the investor is going to get. Okay. So that is the fixed rate, fixed interest the investor is going to get every year without fail. Then we'll be having discount rate or interest. That is already, you know, in time value of money, obviously the bond value will also fluctuate. Okay. So interest will also be there. And then bond will be having maturity period. Bond will be having maturity period like 4 years, 5 years, 3 years. Every bond will be having a maturity period. So this 4 concept is clear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, tell me once coupon rate, sir.
Coupon rate is the fixed rate that the investor is going to get every year without fail. Like I'm telling you that if you give me 1,000 rupees, 5% interest I am going to give you every year without fail. And coupon rate, coupon amount always we calculate on face value. Remember this, coupon amount always we calculate on face value. R is the interest rate on which the bond value is going to fluctuate or change as the time, obviously the time value of money just now we have studied. Okay. So R is your interest rate or discount rate. N is the maturity period. Clear now? And I said face value, if they have not given in the question, you have to assume as 1,000 or 100. Otherwise, definitely they'll give in the question. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, one more thing is there. If coupon rate and rate of interest or interest rate, both are same, value of the bond and face value will remain same. Okay. If coupon rate and rate of interest or discount rate is same. Suppose I say that coupon interest is also 14%. Rate R is also 14%. So if your face value is 1,000, the bond value will also remain 1,000. No need to do calculation.
Sir, once more, sir.
If coupon rate and discount rate or rate of interest are same, bond value and face value will remain same. Okay, both will remain same. It is not going to change. Coupon is 14%. R is also 14%. Means if bond value, face value is 1,000 means bond value will remain 1,000 rupees. It is not going to change. Clear? If coupon rate is greater than discount rate, coupon rate is, take for example, suppose this is 14% and this discount rate is 12%. Okay. Then value of the bond will be lesser than the face value. Then value of the bond will be lesser than, sorry, 1 second. It will be higher than the face value. If coupon rate is higher and discount rate is lesser, the value of the bond will be higher than the face value. So the logic here is, if your discount rate is less, okay, in malls and all you get less discount, so you have to pay more, the value will be higher, right? Same logic applies here. Here discount rate is less than the coupon rate, so your value of bond will be higher. Suppose your face value is 1,000 rupees, so your value of the bond will be 1,020, 1,030, 1,040. Okay. Similar way, if discount rate is higher, then value of the bond will be lesser than the face value. If your discount rate is higher, so when you get more discount, your value will be less, right? You have to pay less amount, right? So if you are getting higher discount, like suppose rate is 14%, coupon rate is 10%. So in this situation, your value of the bond will be lesser than the face value, maybe 950, 900, like that. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt?
Sir.
Tell me. Hello? You can unmute yourself and tell. I'm not able to hear.
Sir, can you tell me the face? What is face value? Face value and coupon rate.
Face value is the amount which the company has borrowed from the investor, or also you can say it is the amount which the company has promised to pay at the time of maturity.
Rate, sir?
Huh?
Coupon rate.
Coupon rate means the benefit which we are going to give to the investor, that is the fixed interest. Is it clear? Any doubt?
And we are giving discount on bond value, face value, sir?
Yeah, just remember like this, higher the discount, less will be the bond value. Higher the discount, less will be the bond value. Lesser the discount, higher will be the bond value.
Discount is given on what, sir?
Discount is not discount actually, it's rate of interest. How just now you have studied time value of money. So bond value is 1,000 rupees now means obviously how the time will pass, it is going to fluctuate, right?
Yes, sir.
So names are like that, rate of interest, discount rate, somewhere we say cost of capital, but the value remains same R. It is the same meaning R. I'll tell you how to
Bond
calculate.
value means the starting cost of the bond.
Which one?
Bond value means the price of the bond, sir, at starting.
Yes, I'm coming there. So what is bond value means the price of the bond. So in any question, they say find the price of the bond, find the value of the bond, find the present value of the bond. Is all three meanings are same only. Okay. find the price of the bond, find the value of the bond, find the present value of the bond. It is having same meaning. Okay. So how we'll calculate the bond value? Okay. If they say how to calculate the bond values, so always try to find out these 4 things from the question. First is face value. Okay. Suppose face value is 1000. Coupon rate is 14%. Discount rate is 10%. Maturity period is 4 years. Okay. Face value is 1000. Coupon rate is 14%. Discount rate or rate of interest is 10%. N is 4 years. So try to find out these 4 things from the question. Whenever they are asking, find the price of the bond, find the present value of the bond, find the value of the bond. These all 3 are having same meaning. So what you can do, you remember I have told you one thing, that whenever you have to find present value means future value should be multiplied with, remember yesterday I have told?
Discount factor.
Discount factor.
Yes. Whenever you have to find present value means future value should be multiplied with discount factor. Now, first you see how many years you are having. What is the benefit you are going to get? What is the coupon amount you are going to get every year without fail? So coupon rate is 14% and coupon amount we always calculate on face value. As an investor, you are going to get 14% of interest without fail. 14% of 1000 rupees, how much?
140 rupees.
So 140 rupees every year you are going to get, right?
Yes.
But as company said that when the bond will mature, I will return back your 1000 rupees. That is what face value is. Company agreed that when the bond will be matured, I'll return back your 1000 rupees. So can I say that in ending year, you are going to get 1140? I can write like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C means coupon rate. C means coupon amount. CA, I have written coupon amount like that. So 1140, right? So these all are my future value, right? First year, I'm expecting 140 rupees. Second year, I'm expecting 140 rupees. Third year, I'm expecting 140 rupees. Fourth year, I'm expecting 1140 rupees. So these all are my future value, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
just now I have told that whenever you have to find present value, we multiply future value into discount factor.
Discount factor.
And just now I have told price of the bond, value of the bond, present value of the bond, all are same thing. Right? So basically we are finding present value of bond. So present value means future value should be multiplied with discount factor. So what is the discount factor rate? 10%. And remember the formula. This is the formula. 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power n. Correct? So 1 divided by 1 plus 0.1. So I have told 0.909. Then press is equal to button. First calculate for first year. 1 divided by 1.1. You will get 0.909. Then to get second year, press is equal to button again. You will get 0.826. Again is equal to button 0.751. Again is equal to button 0.683. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? Find out discount factor at the rate of 10%. So discount factor formula is 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power n. So just find out for first year. So 1 divided by 1 plus 0.1. It means 1 divided by 1.1. Press is equal to button. You will get 0.909. Again press is equal to button. You will get 0.826. Again press is equal to button. You will get 0.751. Again press is equal to button. You will get 0.683. Then present value means future value should be multiplied with discount factor. So future value should be multiplied with discount factor. So 140 into 0.909. 127 point something. 140 into 0.826. 115 point something. 140 into 0.751. 105 point some value. 1140 into 0.683. 778 point some value. Right? So future value is 140 multiplying discount factor. So 140 into 0.909. 140 into 0.826. Right? Then add all. So I think you'll get 1126.66 or something. So this is only called as value of the bond, price of the bond, or present value of the bond. Or also we say total present value. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Sir, explain once again, sir.
Multiply, find out future value. That is 140 rupees coupon rate. Discount factor. Coupon rate always we calculate on face value. So 14% of 1000 means 140, 140, 140, 140. Final year maturity year, the company has promised that I'll pay back your 1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees you are going to get back final
Sir,
year.
how will get 140?
14% of 1000, how much?
Okay. Okay.
Clearly, I'm telling that coupon rate always we calculate on face value.
Okay.
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 Then discount rate. So discount factor formula I have told yesterday, 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power n. So always first calculate for first year. 10% means 0.1. So 1 divided by 1.1, how much? 0.909, that is for first year. Press is equal to button again, you will get for second year. Press is equal to button again, you will get for third year. Clear? Then multiply 140 into 0.909, 140 into 0.826, 140 into 0.751, and add all the value. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
1 divided by 1.11 is 0.9009.
Not 1 divided by 1.11, it's 1.1. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
So you understood? Any doubt? Any questions? Okay, so write down one question, you try to solve it.
Here, the original value of future means face value also, na?
So the face value we can take as 100
Because
also,
we have
no, sir.
assumed here 1000, but the original price is not.
We have
at all
not
1000.
assumed. I have given here in this question that face value is 1000. I said when in any question there is no face value, that time you can assume as 1100.
Okay.
So during the fourth year, we have taken as 1140.
Yes, because face value means the company has promised that I'll return back your 1000 rupees. You will not leave your 1000 rupees with the company, right? So bond is maturing in 4 years. So in the end of fourth year, you will take back your 1000 rupees. Done?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, write down one question. A bond is having, I'm posting in chat box also, a bond is having interest of, bond is having coupon interest of, interest of 12%. Having maturity period, having maturity of a maturity period 5 years. If the discount rate is 8%.
Sir, tell me 1 second.
You can take from chat box as well. The discount rate is 8%. Find the value of the bond. If you are missing what I am telling you, you can take from chat box. Find the value of the bond.
Here face value is not given.
I'm not given means assume as 1000 and solve it. Right?
Thousand 158.
Yeah, you can post in the chat box and somebody can post the solution in WhatsApp group so that others can cross verify. I think 1159 is correct. Slight difference can come due to decimal. Okay.
115.
Yeah. Write down next question. The bond is having, in term of 100, you have to calculate and check what answer you are getting. Maybe 115 point something you will get. Don't know. Just now I have solved one question, right? Are you in WhatsApp group? That's why I'm keep on asking that somebody should post solution in WhatsApp group. So it will save our time. So that I can tell you different types of problem. If same types of problem I'll solve. In terms of 100, no need to worry about it. No need to worry about in terms of 100. There is nothing like that. In terms of 100 and 1000, something difference will come. Okay. It depends on the option. It depends on the market price, what they have given. So there won't be any difference in calculation. Okay. So no need to worry about it. The basics, you should learn how to solve it. The basics will never change. Right. Like see, for example, if I tell the previous question, how much you have taken? C was 14%. So you have taken 140 rupees, 140 rupees, right? In terms of 100 means it will be 14 rupees. 14 rupees. 114 will come. That's it. So basics you try to learn how to solve it. Don't worry about 100 means what, 1000 means what. You try to learn it and then try to apply it, and then some doubts will be there, then you can clarify. So obviously the basics will remain same. Then just keep on multiplying 0.909, 0.826, 0.751, 0.683. So the basics will not change, no, anywhere. Yeah, so I was telling different types of question to you. So write down one question. The bond is having 8% interest and maturity period of 4 years. Maturity period of 4 years. If the rate has reduced, by 2%, find the change in value of the bond. Okay, so what I'm telling in that question, now can you tell me what is C, what is R here?
C is 8%.
C is 2%, R is 8%.
Okay, anybody else?
C is 8%, R is 6%.
6%.
Yeah, clearly I said
Yes, sorry.
C is
C
not
is 6%.
6%. Interest
Yes, sir.
is
Yes, sir.
8% means C will never change, I told. C is fixed interest. So C is 8% and R is also 8% in the beginning. Then later rate has reduced by 2%, means your R is 6% and C is 8%. C is your fixed interest, that is not going to change. Anytime it is not going to change. So if any changes is happening in the rate, that is your discount rate only. So 2% reduce means now it is 6%. So now this we have to solve.
So interest is actually coupon rate, right?
No, coupon rate is different and rate of interest is different.
Okay.
Please mute yourself. Then coupon rate you find out. So coupon rate we always calculate on face value. Face value I have not given, so you can assume as 1000. So 80, 80, 80, 1080. And rate is 6%. So you can calculate discount rate for 6%.
So fourth year you return 1080 cents.
Tell me what? I couldn't hear you.
First year 80, second year 80, third year and fourth year you return 1080 cents.
1080 because 1000 is the face value. So face value you won't leave with the company. Your money you will not leave with the company. When the bond will mature, you will tell company you please give back my 1000 rupees as you have promised. So in final year you add back your 1000 rupees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then multiply.
Sir, N is 4 here?
Yeah, N I have given 4, so take 4. You can solve now, right? You can multiply and done. Yeah. So change is plus 69 rupees, right? 1069 is correct answer. Please check your multiplication and addition. Solution somebody can post in the WhatsApp group so that I can just tell one more kind of problem. Then got it 10659 or 1069. So write down one more type of question. A bond is having face value of 1000 rupees. Face value of 1000 rupees. Coupon rate 14%. Discount rate 10%. Find the value of the bond if compounded semi-annually and maturity period 2 years. Okay. Now tell me what we have to do here. I have said face value is 1000, coupon rate 14%, discount rate 10%, and time period is 2 years. As I said, semi-annually here, right?
So
I think
7%
by 2.
R divided by 2 and n into 2.
Yeah, so rate divided by 2. So we have two types of rate here, right? So both the rates will be divided by 2, not only one. Because coupon rate means in a year I am giving you 140 rupees. So in a year, if I am giving you 140 rupees, so half yearly, how much I'll give you? 70 rupees.
70 rupees.
So this also we should divide, as well as discount rate also we have to divide and multiplied by 2. So this will be 4. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Coupon amount is 7% means 70, 70, 70, 1070. And at the rate of 5%, you can calculate. Is it clear? You can do the calculation. You can calculate now. You know how to calculate, right?
Yes, sir.
Same discount factor formula, 1 divided by 1.05. You'll get for first year, press is equal to button, second year, press is equal to button, third year, fourth year, like that. And multiply. So that different types of problem I can teach you. That is the reason I'm asking you to solve more. Okay, so that you will learn. And calculations still you are not thorough with calculations. So many people. So go through the calculations. Look how we are doing the calculations. Revise it. Any doubt? Any question?
So that should be 1 divided by 1.05 the whole power n, right?
N means 1 only. No, first year means 1 only. So it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Scientific calculators are not allowed, only normal calculators are allowed. That is the reason we are learning how to do calculations, how to find out the power.
1070.
Yeah, we are getting it 1070, sir. I'm not getting that.
Yeah, that somebody will post the solution. You please look into it. Just multiply, find out 1.05 is how much? 1 divided by 1.05. It's simple calculations. 1 divided by 1.952. 0.952. Then press is equal to button 0.907. Press is equal to button 0.863. Press is equal to button 0.822. Multiply all 17 to 0.952, 17 to 0.907, 17 to 0.863, 17 to 1017 to 0.822. Add all, you will get the answer. Somebody can post the solution in group also, WhatsApp group.
Posted.
Posted?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can cross verify. See, that is the reason I'm telling that be careful with your calculations. You should learn how to do the calculations. After my classes, you should practice the calculation 1-2 times. Even though same question, you have to take the calculator and revise so that you learn the calculation. If you'll do mistake in calculation, all this effort will be waste, which you do in exam, and you will choose the wrong option, right? Even though your process is correct, but due to calculation mistakes, you will choose wrong option. So please avoid it, learn, practice. Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Fine then. Please revise all these things. Then remaining things we'll look tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Biju sir, done.